Hi, I'm going to make Amazake today, which I drink almost every day. So let's start. So what we use to make Amazake is this equipment, which is called yogurt maker. And this is, I don't know if you have it in your country, but you can definitely get it from Amazon. I'm going to put link below in the description box, so please check. I'm going to use mixer to make it more smooth. After I use mixer, I put in a bin bottle so that I can store it in a refrigerator. So now I'm enjoying Amazake right now. I'm drinking cocoa with Amazake. Please try. See you next time. Bye.